Assigning work in dispatch in KettleiQ. In this short training, I'll show you how to see your team's workload, assign a task to a rep, and keep status current on the board. Let's take a look. You'll find this under CRM Workflow from your dashboard. Dispatch is where you assign and monitor tasks across your team. Up top, you get the workload roll-up, open work orders, overdue and completed this week, and a per-rep breakdown so you see how work is spread. Open the board and tasks group by status, unassigned, in progress, done, so you can see the whole team's load at a glance. To assign a new one, click Create Work Order, describe what needs to happen, and link it to the account. Choose which rep it goes to and click Save, and it lands in that rep's column. To reassign, open the task and change the assigned rep, or drag the card to a different column to update its status yourself. If a task's overdue, I flag it visually on the board so it doesn't get missed. Use this page daily to make sure nothing's falling through the cracks and workloads spread evenly across the team.